How to buy crypto on Binance with USDT. You need to open the Binance app, log in with your credentials, make sure you have USDT in your account, go to the trading interface, search for the crypto you want to buy. In this case, we'll buy BTC. Click in the button Buy. Select the order type, market order or limit order. Enter the amount of BTC you want to buy. Click Buy and confirm the requested data. Done! You have bought crypto with USDT. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.